Welcome to Kaiscissors.com. I'm DIY designer Jane Manzuris, and today we're talking about the Kaiscissors 5.5-inch double curved sharp tip embroidery scissor, model 5130 DC. Now, if you're an embroiderer, you're going to love these. The sharp tip of this scissor is great for snipping into small, tight spaces, and the double curved blade helps to get over the embroidery hoop, which is great for applique cutting and cutting out the pattern. The 5.5-inch double curved sharp tip embroidery scissors are made from hardened stainless steel, and that allows the blade to hold its edge longer. And don't forget to order a scissor lanyard for your small needlecraft scissors. It's a great way to protect your scissors and keep them with you all the time. The 5.5-inch double curved sharp tip embroidery scissors will help you with all your embroidering projects and are a great addition to your sewing toolbox. And there you have it, the Kaiscissors 5.5-inch double curved sharp tip embroidery scissors, model number 5130 DC. We want you to have all the best tools for your sewing projects. So for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting, you'll find what you need right here at Kaiscissors.com.